Okay, I am going to be unboxing this GeForce Mega Disc Black. What really it's called is the Fantom Drive 3 terabyte. It plugs in to an outlet, external hard drive. So this is just everything on the side. You could pause it and read whatever you want. Made in China. I took a chance, but this was supposedly like a 60 megabyte crap, I forget what it's called. 60 like megabyte speeds or whatever with 3 terabyte hard drive. And I bought this off Amazon for like $160, so not too bad. But what I meant to say was that I hear they have issues with power management, the bigger models, like more storage models. So comes with like the little stand. It comes with some manuals or something how to set it up. Yep. Probably a setup thing. And that's really... oh, it can't be it because it plugs in. In the bottom, that's it. The plug and the USB, whatever kind of plug it is. I forget what kind. This is. It plugs in, and this plugs into the computer. It is one solid piece of metal. It's pretty cold right now. It's like super cold out. Okay, so I haven't used this yet, obviously. Hopefully it doesn't break because it was a lot of money and I don't want to ship it back and have issues. I just want to start making more videos and posting stuff about cars and other stuff. You know how it goes here. So hopefully this works out well. And not a bad deal, $160, 3 terabytes. I'm sure there's probably cheaper ones out there, but I didn't want to go too cheap, and I didn't want to spend so much money on a like 3 terabytes that I'm broke. Because for $160 shipped, I think this isn't bad. I'll post the thing here of how much it was. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. Peace out and keep moving forward. JK, that's not me. Peace out though. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment.